Okay guys, so I just got this. It's called Colorful Fire. And apparently you just throw it into a fire and it makes the flame super colorful. So I thought we would try it out. So it says I just toss it in the flames. I actually got this with one of my Amazon discount codes. Unfortunately, the video is not there any longer. It got taken down, maybe because they thought it was dangerous. But let's go test it out. So cool.
Oh my god. It's rainbow, I know it.